Calling all sourcing and procurement leaders. Sustainment SRM is supplier relationship management done right. Use Sustainment SRM to cut your RFQ time in half. Find new suppliers quickly. Compare suppliers easily. Track the status of your open POs. Measure supplier performance. And make audits a breeze, along with much more to bring out the best in your supplier relationships. Stop asking your ERP to do something it's not built for. Get the right tool for supplier management. Visit sustainment.com and let's get to work. Sustainment is used by the Department of Defense and thousands of American manufacturers.